before the intranet, inefficient information sharing, the problem. What is the latest sales data? I have the new template, but how to share with Alex? Outdated papers. Introducing the business intranet. The solution. Network network admin. Private internet server. Internal and secure. An internal network used to share information privately within the organization. Organization members use networked computers accessing information. Instant access. Sales and dashboard. Intranet. Templates are all here. HR portal and documents. For, for organizational performance, the result better collaboration, performance metrics, reduced duplication, faster decision.